Unlocking cryptocurrency secrets. How it really works. Digital currencies have surged in popularity, capturing the imagination of investors, tech enthusiasts, and everyday users. The rapid rise of cryptocurrencies showcases their potential to revolutionize finance, offering new ways to transact, invest, and engage in the global economy. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized and operates on technology that eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks, making transactions more direct and secure. Bitcoin, launched in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency. It introduced the concept of decentralized digital currency and sparked the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with unique features. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security, as each transaction is linked to the previous one, creating an immutable chain that is difficult to alter. A blockchain is essentially a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. These blocks are linked together in a linear, chronological order. The decentralized nature of blockchain makes it highly secure and resistant to tampering or hacking. Decentralization is a core principle of cryptocurrency, ensuring no single entity controls the entire network. This distributed approach enhances security and fosters trust among users, as power is shared across multiple nodes rather than being concentrated in one central authority. Cryptographic security underpins the integrity of cryptocurrency transactions. Advanced algorithms encrypt transaction data, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized parties to alter information. This robust security framework ensures that all transactions are both transparent and tamper-proof, bolstering user confidence. Various cryptocurrencies offer different functionalities and benefits. Bitcoin, the pioneer, is widely recognized for its value storage. Ethereum, on the other hand, excels in enabling smart contracts. Other notable mentions include Litecoin, Ripple, and Cardano, each bringing unique features to the table. Acquiring cryptocurrency can be achieved through several methods. Mining involves solving complex algorithms to validate transactions and earn coins. Alternatively, buying can be done on exchanges using traditional money. Earning crypto through services or products is another practical option. Cryptocurrency wallets are essential for storing and managing digital assets. Hardware wallets offer offline security, while software wallets provide ease of access via applications. Hot wallets are convenient for frequent transactions, whereas cold wallets ensure maximum security by remaining offline. Setting up a cryptocurrency wallet involves choosing between hardware, software, or paper options. Hardware wallets offer offline storage and enhanced security, while software wallets provide convenience. Paper wallets, though less common, are another secure method. Each type caters to different user preferences and needs. Public and private keys are fundamental to cryptocurrency transactions. The public key acts as an address for receiving funds, while the private key is used to sign transactions. Keeping private keys secure is crucial to prevent unauthorized access and potential loss. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency involves broadcasting a transaction to the network. Once validated by miners or validators, the transaction is added to the blockchain. This process ensures transparency and security, making it nearly impossible to alter transaction histories. Crypto mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical problems. Successful miners are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency, incentivizing their participation in maintaining the network's integrity. Proof of work and proof of stake are consensus mechanisms used in blockchain networks. Proof of work requires miners to solve computational puzzles, consuming significant energy. Proof of stake, on the other hand, relies on validators holding and staking tokens, making it more energy efficient. Cryptocurrencies offer numerous benefits such as increased transaction speeds and reduced fees compared to traditional banking systems. Transactions can be completed in minutes, even across borders, without the need for intermediaries, making it more efficient and cost-effective for users globally. Despite the advantages, cryptocurrencies come with their own set of risks. Their value is highly volatile, leading to significant price fluctuations. Security concerns, including potential hacks and loss of private keys, also pose threats to users' investments and peace of mind. Legal and regulatory issues surrounding cryptocurrencies vary by country. While some nations embrace digital currencies, others impose strict regulations or outright bans. Understanding the legal landscape in your jurisdiction is crucial to navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency usage and investment. Cryptocurrency exchanges function as platforms where users can buy, sell, or trade digital currencies. They operate similarly to stock exchanges but focus on cryptocurrencies. Users need to create accounts, deposit funds, and execute trades to engage in the crypto market. Choosing a reliable cryptocurrency exchange involves considering factors like security, fees, and user experience. Look for exchanges with robust security measures, transparent fee structures, and positive reviews. Ensuring the platform complies with relevant regulations can provide additional peace of mind. Investing in cryptocurrency can be lucrative but requires careful consideration. It's essential to research different coins, understand market trends, and diversify your portfolio. Start with small investments and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Common crypto scams include phishing attacks, fake ICOs, and Ponzi schemes. Always verify the authenticity of websites and projects. Use reputable exchanges and wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys with anyone. The future of cryptocurrency looks promising with increased adoption and technological advancements. Innovations like decentralized finance and smart contracts are expanding crypto's utility. Regulatory clarity and institutional investment may further legitimize the market, attracting more users and investors. Cryptocurrencies are already being used for remittances, online shopping, and even real estate transactions. Companies like Tesla and PayPal accept Bitcoin as payment. This growing acceptance highlights the potential for cryptocurrencies to become a mainstream payment method. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They run on blockchain networks like Ethereum, ensuring transparency and immutability. These contracts can automate complex processes, reducing the need for intermediaries and minimizing the risk of fraud. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, revolutionizes traditional financial systems by eliminating intermediaries. Through blockchain technology, users can lend, borrow, and trade assets directly. This peer-to-peer approach increases accessibility, reduces costs, and enhances transparency in financial transactions, empowering global users. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have gained significant traction in digital art, gaming, and collectibles. These unique digital assets are stored on the blockchain, ensuring authenticity and ownership. NFTs offer creators new revenue streams and collectors verifiable, one-of-a-kind items. Cryptocurrency's impact on traditional finance is profound. Blockchain technology offers faster transactions, lower fees, and increased security. Financial institutions are adopting crypto solutions, reshaping how we think about money, payments, and investments, driving innovation in the financial sector. Starting your cryptocurrency journey involves research and planning. Begin by understanding the basics, choosing a reliable exchange, and securing a digital wallet. Start small, invest wisely, and stay informed about market trends to navigate the exciting world of crypto. For more insightful crypto content, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and leave comments. Join our community to stay updated on the latest trends, tips, and news in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Your journey into the crypto world starts today. Like, share, subscribe, follow. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.